When fitting the ridge cover, first slot the holding down bolts into the groove on the underneath of the external ridge capping. Prior to the installation of the finial, it may be required to trim the underside to fit. Slide the finial fully onto the ridge capping, leaving space for the ridge end cap to be attached. Slide the pieces of cresting onto the external ridge cover through the moulded grooves from the opposite end of the external ridge cover. The last piece of cresting may have to be trimmed. See your installation guide for instructions. Run a bead of silicone around the contact faces of the flashing trim and attach to the ridge assembly. Lift the ridge capping assembly onto the top of the ridge assembly and push down so that it locates on the prongs of the ridge center. Screw the rectangular washer until it touches the ridge wings and finger tighten, holding down the bolts to make the external ridge capping secure.